Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the ICSR. ICSR stands for Individual Case Safety Report, which is crucial for components of pharmacovigilance and drug safety monitoring in the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. These reports plays a pivotal role in ensuring the safety of the drugs and medical products. In that, first one is the definition. An ICSR is a documented report of an individual patient's or healthcare professional's experience with a pharmaceutical product or medical device that is suspected to be associated with an adverse event or side effect. Next is the purpose. The primary purpose of ICSR is to collect, record, and assess information about the adverse event and product quality complaint related to the drug, vaccine, medical devices, and other healthcare products. They help regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical companies and healthcare professionals monitor and evaluate the safety profile of the product on the market. Next is the content. ICSR ICSR typically included detailed information about the adverse events such as a patient demographics, medical history, concomitant medication, the suspected product detail, the nature and severity of the adverse event, and the outcome, recovery, hospitalization, death, etc. These reports also contain relevant details about the reporter, including their contact information. Next is the reporting sources. ICSR can be submitted by the various sources, including healthcare professional, patient, and pharmaceutical company. These reports are crucial in early detection of the safety concern. Next is the regulatory requirement. Regulatory authorities such as the FDA in United States and the EMA in Europe have a strict requirement for the collection, submission, and evaluation of ICSR by pharmaceutical company. Companies are often required to report serious and unexpected adverse event within specific time frame. Next, electronic reporting. In recent years, electronic system and databases have streamlined the reporting and analysis of ICSR, making it easier for healthcare professionals and companies to report and track adverse events. Next is a global collaboration. ICSR data is often shared and exchanged internationally through pharmacovigilance network to ensure a comprehensive evaluation of a product safety on a global scale. In summary, ICSR are a cornerstone of pharmacovigilance, playing a vital role in monitoring and ensuring the safety of drug healthcare product. They facilitate the early detection of adverse events, signal detection, risk assessment, and ultimately contribute to protecting the health and well-being of the patient worldwide. That's all about the ICSR. Thank you. Next is a risk assessment. Regulatory authorities use ICSR data to conduct risk assessment, which can lead to regulatory actions such as a label changes, warning, or even product recall. Next is the patient safety. The ultimate goal of ICSR is to enhance patient safety by identifying and addressing safety concerns. Next is the